From San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News.
The Artemis II mission is not humanity's last trip to the moon.
Not at all. Joining us right now with how local scientists are studying the data, Scripps Oceanography Director Meena Wadwad. Meena, good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Great to be here.
All right, let's get right to it. What does this mission actually mean to local space research here in San Diego?
Well, the Artemis II mission, the safe return of humans from the moon more than 50 years after Apollo. It's really opened the door to something very extraordinary, not just for NASA, but science here in San Diego. Future missions are going to explore the moon in much greater detail and will return samples from many more different places from the moon than have been sampled before. The moon's essentially a time capsule, and it's like a witness plate. You know, it records the earliest history of our solar system, and the lunar data that's going to come back from the moon, it's going to be studied by scientists right here at Scripps. Some of the samples that are returned in the future will be studied right here in laboratories here at Scripps Oceanography. So we're going to learn a lot more about planet formation processes, about the early environment on the Earth, how the solar system formed, even how water in Earth's oceans, where did it come from?
Will future, Meena, NASA missions benefit more research here for, you guys here in San Diego?
Absolutely. People may be surprised to learn that Scripps Institution of Oceanography, which is one of the world's leading oceanography institutions, does cutting-edge planetary science research as well. But that's exactly what's happening here at Scripps. We have researchers here that are analyzing samples from Moon, Mars, and asteroids in our laboratories. We have scientists that are studying the deep interiors of planets like Moon, Mars, and Venus. We have researchers that are studying violent storms that are churning in the atmosphere of Jupiter. So the mission of Scripps Institution of Oceanography is to understand and protect our planet. And it turns out that to fully understand our planet, you need to understand the context of where and how it formed. And sometimes to do that, you have to look beyond Earth.
Sometimes, Meena, we joke here that we leave all the smart stuff to you guys over there. When we hear all this research and all this incredible discovery being done, for the layman out there, maybe 5, 10, even 20 years down the line is when we actually start seeing some of these benefits, be it through some sort of technology that changes our lives or as medical research. How do you kind of put that in perspective for us just sitting here? It's like, wait, what research? How do you make it make sense for like the normal person out there, how it affects us?
Yes, I mean, the space program is something that is benefiting people right here on Earth. There's obviously, we're learning fundamental things about our very origins from the data that we are collecting from the spacecraft missions, from the samples that we bring back from other places. But at the same time, the technologies that are being developed to do these difficult things, these technologies are helping us in our everyday lives. I mean, the kinds of things that we take for granted now, cell phones, for example, MRIs that we have, medical technologies that are helping us be healthier. A lot of these have their genesis in the space program.
Well, and I know that all of this, I don't know about your kids, but when I see them watching this, they are so inspired. And I can see the sparkle in their eye that I'm thinking maybe just one day they'll be a part of it too. Very inspiring, all of it. Meena Wadwad, we appreciate your time. Thank you.